Planning a pilgrimage by train? IRCTC has announced two Bharat Gaurav tourist train packages from Secunderabad. The Ayodhya to Kashi Punya Kshetra Yatra with Baidyanath Dham will depart on July 4th, while the Divya Dakshin Yatra with Arunachalam will begin on July 20th. According to IRCTC, the North India circuit covers Puri, Konark, Gaya, Varanasi, Ayodhya, Prayagraj and Deoghar, along with major temples and the Ganga Aarti. The 10-day journey includes train travel, accommodation, meals, onboard security, travel insurance and IRCTC tour managers. Railway officials said passengers can board and deboard at selected stations en route.
There are two packages. One is to the North India and another one is to South India. The North India tour, it starts from July 4th. It is Ayodhya Kashi Punya Kshetra Yatra. So it starts on July 4th. It is for 9 days. So it covers Puri, Konark, Ayodhya, Varanasi, Kashi and Baidyanath Dham. So there are the three packages in this. In sleeper class, it is around 16,000 rupees, and third AC 25,000, and second AC it is 33,000. So in this, the devotees who are traveling, they are given all the facilities. They need not to worry about anything. The train starts from Secunderabad via Kajipet, Warangal, Khammam, Vijayawada, Bhimavaram, Nidavolu, Vishakhapatnam, and to the these pilgrims areas. So in this, once a tourist comes to the station to board the train, so they will be taken care of everything until they come back and deboard the train in Secunderabad or their respective places. So they will be taken care of everything like breakfast, lunch, dinner, tea, snacks, and they will be facilitated to go to these pilgrim places by arranging buses, cars, like that. Everything will be taken care. They need not to be worried about anything. This is a safe journey, and especially for ladies and elderly people, it is very convenient to move by train, and all the places at one go they can visit.
Also
for South India, it is called Divya Dakshina Yatra. It starts on 20th July for 8 days. It starts from Secunderabad, Kajipet, Mahbubnagar, like that it goes to the south. And in this tour, they will be taken to Arunachalam, Madurai, Trichy, likewise Madurai, to all the South Indian places, popular tourist places, pilgrim places, they will be taken. And here also the packages are almost same, like for sleeper class it will be around 15,000, third AC 23,000, and second AC 29,000. So once they book tickets through IRCTC website, so they will be taken care of everything like what I said, for accommodation, for transport, and throughout the journey in the trains they will be given accommodation, food and all other facilities, and they will be, for each coach there will be tour managers. They will be taking care of everything, all the needs in the train and outside the train also, while going to places and visiting places. These tour managers, they will be accompanying all the tourists. This is a dedicated train for complete tour. So there will not be any change of trains. So they can keep their luggage inside the train, little bit luggage with whatever is required they can take along with them while they going to hotels or for outside accommodation. So everything will be taken care, security will be there. So it's a very good thing. So far it is quite popular. More than 40 tours have been organized so far by South Central Railway, IRCTC. So it is very convenient and comfortable to all.
Is there any accommodations included in this?
Yes. In this tour package, it is free travel is provided, rail travel, and outside while visiting the temples and other places, transport also arranged. and only what they need is if they wanted to purchase something outside for shopping and all, they need to pay for themselves, or any VIP darshan and all if they wanted to do. So for that they need to spend.